Are you terrified of starting a new job where everyone speaks English? You walk in and have no idea what to say. Well, in this video, we are going to throw you into the ultimate first day challenge. We're going to follow this guy, Alex, as he tries to survive his first day in an English-only office. By the end of this video, you will literally have the secret code to talk to anyone and sound like a pro. This is insane. Starting a new job is a gigantic challenge. New building, new rules, 1,000 new faces staring at you. It's a huge test. And if English isn't your first language, it's like playing on hard mode. You're trying to understand super fast English and you're worried you'll say the wrong thing and look like a total noob. We've all been there. But here's the secret. Everyone is freaking out on their first day. Even people who have spoken English their whole lives. Every pro starts as a beginner. And today, I'm going to give you a couple of cheat codes, just a few phrases that will let you crush your first day with 100% confidence. It's that simple. So here's the mission. This is Alex. We dropped him into his first day at a company called Innovatech. He has one job, survive. You're going to hear every single word, every secret phrase people use in a real office. This isn't theory. This is the real deal. Here's the game plan. First, I'm going to tell you the entire story. Just listen. Don't panic if you don't get every word. Then, we're going to break down the most important game-changing vocabulary. After that, you'll listen to the story again, and your mind will be blown by how much you understand. And at the end, we are going to practice speaking together so you can actually say these phrases without thinking. The goal is to get you ready for battle. After this video, you'll know exactly what to say, and you'll have the tools to make friends and absolutely smash your first day. Ready? Let's go see if Alex survives.
Alex smiles, totally relieved. Hi, David. Yes, that's me. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I'm on the marketing team as well. I do content strategy, David explains. If you need anything at all, seriously, just ask. I know the first day can be a bit overwhelming. I'm happy to show you the ropes. Thanks so much. I really appreciate that, Alex says. He actually means it. No problem at all, David replies. We're all looking forward to working with you. Sarah loves this. David is one of our best. He'll help you get the hang of things. Now, Alex, your first day will be mostly about onboarding. You've got a meeting with HR this morning for paperwork, then IT will get you hooked up. This afternoon, we have our weekly team meeting at 2 p.m. It'll be a good chance to meet everyone and see what we're working on. That sounds like a great plan, Alex says. Perfect. I'll leave you to get settled for a bit. David can show you where the kitchen is if you want to grab a coffee. I'll come get you for the HR meeting in about 30 minutes. Sound good? Yes, that's perfect. Thank you, Sarah. Sarah leaves and David stands up. Coffee is a great idea. It's a good way to break the ice. Come on, I'll give you the grand tour of the kitchen. Alex follows him to this awesome, modern kitchen. It has a crazy coffee machine, a fridge full of drinks, and a few people just chilling and chatting. This is the hub, David says. Help yourself to anything. The coffee machine is a beast, but it makes an incredible latte once you master it. As David is showing Alex how to use the machine, 2 more people walk in. David introduces them. Alex, this is Maria from sales and Tom from graphic design. It's Alex's first day. Hi, Alex, welcome, Maria says. Hey, welcome to the team, Tom adds. Hi, Maria. Hi, Tom. Nice to meet you all, Alex replies. He's starting to feel more and more comfortable. They make some small talk while getting their drinks. David asks, So, how are you finding things so far? Everyone has been incredibly welcoming, Alex says honestly. It's making the first day nerves much easier to handle. That's what we like to hear, Maria says. This is a good place to work. The people are great. After coffee, they head back to the desk. Alex organizes his new setup. Just like she promised, Sarah comes to grab him for the HR meeting. It was all about filling out forms and learning company rules. After that, a super friendly IT guy comes to his desk, gets him logged in, sets up his email, and connects him to the company network. He answered every single one of Alex's questions. Before he knew it, it was lunchtime. David leans over.
A few of us are grabbing a sandwich from the cafe downstairs. Want to join? I'd love to, thanks, Alex says. Lunch was super chill and friendly. He met even more people from different departments. They talked about their weekends, some new show everyone's watching, and the best places to eat nearby. Alex was laughing and even sharing a little bit about himself. He made sure to listen more than he talked, trying to actually learn about his new colleagues. At 2 p.m., it was time for the big team meeting. The whole marketing team is in this glass conference room. Sarah kicks it off. Good afternoon, everyone. Before we get into it, I have a happy announcement. I'd like to officially introduce our newest team member, Alex. He's our new marketing assistant. Alex, we're all very excited to have you here. Everyone looks at Alex and they start clapping. Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself? Sarah asks him. Alex feels his nerves kick in for a second, but he smiles. Hi, everyone. Like Sarah said, I'm Alex. My background is in digital marketing, and I'm really passionate about creating great campaigns. I'm incredibly excited to be part of the Innovate Tech team, and I'm looking forward to learning from all of you and contributing in any way I can. More smiles and nods from around the table. The meeting goes on, and Alex is taking a ton of notes. He didn't understand every single thing, but he got the big picture. He made a mental note to ask David about all the acronyms they were using later. After the meeting, Sarah walks with him. You did great today, Alex. It's not easy to be the new person, but you handled it really well. Thank you, Sarah. I really appreciate everyone being so welcoming, he replied. The first day is always a whirlwind. Don't worry about understanding everything at once. The main goal is just to meet people and get a feel for the place. We'll touch base tomorrow morning to discuss your first set of tasks. For now, just look at the onboarding documents I emailed you. No pressure to hit the ground running on day one. The rest of the afternoon flew by. At 5 p.m., people start packing up. David turns to him. Ready to call it a day? I think so, Alex said, shutting down his computer. Good first day? A great first day, Alex confirmed with a huge smile. Thanks again for all your help. Anytime. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. As Alex walked out of the Innovate Tech building, he felt calm and optimistic. The day was insane, full of new info and new people, but it wasn't scary. It was exciting. He had a feeling he was going to dominate here. Vocabulary and phrase breakdown. You survived the first listen. Now, let's unlock the secret phrases from Alex's day. These are the cheat codes that will make you sound like a total pro in any English-speaking office. For each one, I'll tell you the secret meaning and show you how Alex used it to win. Let's go. 1. Welcome aboard. The secret meaning. This is the ultimate friendly welcome. It's like they're saying, you are officially on the team. Think of a pirate ship, you're now part of the crew. It's just a super cool way to say welcome. From the story, Sarah dropped this on Alex when she first met him. It's so great to finally meet you in person. Welcome aboard. Other examples. Everyone, let's give a huge welcome to our new designer, Maria. Welcome aboard, Maria. You might get an email that says, heard you were joining the team. Welcome aboard. How to respond. Just hit them with a simple thank you or thanks, I'm pumped to be here. Easy. 2. To get settled in. The secret meaning. This basically means make yourself at home in a new place. It's the time you take to put your stuff down, figure out where everything is, and just get comfortable. From the story. When Sarah showed Alex's desk, she said, for now, you can get yourself settled in. She was giving him permission to chill before the real work started. Other examples. Have you had a chance to get settled into your new apartment yet? Your boss might ask, how's it going? Are you starting to get settled in? Pro tip. This phrase is all about the process of getting comfy, not just showing up. 3. To show someone the ropes. This is an amazing idiom. It means to teach someone a new job by showing them all the secrets and shortcuts. It comes from old sailing ships where new sailors had to learn the ropes to control the sails. It's a classic. From the story, David offered to be Alex's guide, saying, "I know the first day can be a bit overwhelming. I'm happy to show you the ropes." Other examples. "Don't worry, Sarah's gonna be here all day to show you the ropes." You can even ask for it. "I've literally never used this software. Can you show me the ropes?" Synonym. You could say guide them, but show you the ropes is way more common and sounds more natural. The combo. These last two are a power move. First, someone shows you the ropes, and after you practice, you get the hang of things.